There is no bravery here in the way we like to imagine it. No clean heroism, only pressure, only the quiet, terrible burden of having no choice that feels safe. To stay behind is dangerous. To move forward is dangerous. What makes this moment so merciless is its timing. The attack does not come in the open water, where danger feels expected. It comes at the very edge of safety, in the final instant when survival seems almost certain. She resists with everything she has. She pulls against the jaws, against the water, against a force built for exactly this kind of struggle. She fights for it, not with calculation, but with the raw, desperate force of a bond that refuses to break.